Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by sorting what Serato can actually use: DRM-free audio. Apple Music subscription songs are locked, so don't waste time trying to load them. Instead, gather MP3 or AAC files you own, purchased iTunes tracks, ripped CDs, or exported files. Put them into one dedicated folder and make sure your system shows that folder in Finder or Explorer. Once done, open Serato DJ Lite and get ready to import. This step prevents hidden rejections and saves time during the next stage. Now import and configure Serato for reliable sync. Drag your prepared folder or selected files into Serato's Files panel, then add them to the library or a crate. Next, run analysis. Enable BeatGrid, BPM detection, and key analysis so Serato can sync accurately. Make sure Serato's iTunes/music integration is limited to purchased or local entries, not streaming. Finally, check drive permissions and audio routing so Serato can read files. This ensures the software has metadata and beat info needed for one-button syncing. Finish by loading your prepared track to a deck and using Serato's sync function. Quantize on will lock beat alignment. If a track drifts, open the BeatGrid editor and nudge or reanalyze the file so BPM matches. Tapping tempo can correct stubborn cases. If tracks refuse to load, verify they are DRM-free and in a supported format, then rescan Serato's library or reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: always reconvert or re-export problem files as a fresh MP3.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.